If you've been thinking about freelancing or hiring online, you've probably heard of Fiverr. But in 2025, is Fiverr still worth your time and money? Fiverr remains one of the largest freelance marketplaces in the world, connecting millions of clients with freelancers offering services across almost every category imaginable. From graphic design, writing, and video editing to voiceovers, marketing, and even niche creative services. Its accessibility and low barrier to entry make it appealing for beginners who want to test the waters of freelancing without needing a huge portfolio or professional certifications. One of Fiverr's biggest advantages is its global reach. Buyers can find freelancers from around the world, often at competitive prices, while sellers have access to a worldwide audience. The platform also offers flexible pricing options, allowing freelancers to offer services ranging from $5 gigs to premium packages worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. This flexibility is ideal for small businesses, entrepreneurs, and creators who need quick tasks done or want to experiment with different services. Additionally, Fiverr's review and rating system helps build credibility. Positive reviews can significantly boost your profile, making it easier to attract new clients and grow your freelance business over time. However, Fiverr does have its drawbacks. Competition is intense, especially in popular categories, which can make it challenging for new sellers to stand out. Fiverr also charges a 20% commission on all sales, which can reduce overall earnings. Quality can be inconsistent, so buyers must carefully vet freelancers before placing an order. Freelancers also face challenges like algorithm changes, sudden drops in gig visibility, and limited control over client relationships. Because the platform emphasizes one-off projects, building long-term client relationships or a steady income can be difficult. Despite these challenges, Fiverr has adapted to trends in 2025, including the rise of AI-powered services and tools. Freelancers who embrace AI can remain competitive, and buyers can take advantage of faster, more cost-effective solutions. For those willing to work strategically, Fiverr remains a valuable platform for side income, quick projects, and testing new services or skills. It's best to approach Fiverr with realistic expectations. It's a great place to start, but it shouldn't be your only source of freelance income. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more honest reviews, tutorials, and tips for freelancers and online creators. Thanks for watching.